Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to search pairs on MetaTrader 4, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the MetaTrader 4 app, and once you open it you'll be able to see the interface on the screen where you can see lots of forex options to trade. And yeah, these are the pairs to be honest. And to search for the pairs you can tap on the plus icon which is at top right corner on the screen. So once you tap on it, you'll be able to see the search bar where you can search for your pairs. So let's search for AUDJPY for now. Make sure all the letters should be in capital. Now simply click on the plus icon which is at left side of the symbol. And yeah, this is how you can search pair on MetaTrader 4. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.